Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Nova Trading Bot on Telegram. So what you're going to do here on Telegram is you have to go to the search icon and then type Nova. Now you will see options below, but you have to make sure that you click this one right here with this monthly users. What you're going to do is you have to click start, and then basically you can see this welcome to Nova. And then as you can see here, this is your address. So if you're going to start your transaction here on Nova, all you have to do is to copy this one. And if you scroll down here, you can see other transactions such as buy, wallets. You can see here AFK, Nova Click, positions, sniper, copy trade, auto buy, referrals, refresh, and if you want to close, just tap close. Now, you could also do other things. For example, if you want to know more about a token or a crypto, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to Solscan. Now, to know more about a certain token or crypto, you can go to Solscan, and basically if you want to know more about a certain token right here, for example, let's look for official Trump. Tap this one right here. Now what you're going to do is you need to copy the address. Okay, tap this one and then go back. Now paste it right here and then press enter or tap this and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You will see the information about the price. Okay, you can also see your wallet address right here, and then you can also see positions, limit order. Okay, so more information about this certain token or crypto information. So basically that's how easy it is.